Welcome back everyone, this is Kanachi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so for today's video guys, since I've messed up Goku Black in my last episode, so for this episode, I will do my best to draw Goku Black better, but with a twist. I will transform him into a female character. Okay, so this guy, let's scrap it out. Okay, and let's start with the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So now here is our progress so far. So this part is the most important part because if this is off, then everything will be off. So the thinking behind this is you will start to look on this part, okay, so the face and then the energy ball, and you will get back to the sphere, and to contrast this curviness, I've input a straight line or the gesture line for the character. So now I will put some colors and shading to it. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay everyone, so here is our progress so far. So now I'm done with the shading and the flat colors. So now I will put gradient maps. Okay, gradient maps helps you control the color without going over desaturated or going over saturated. And then I've input color balance, and before I light my illustration, I'm putting levels, okay, so that it will go darker. And then when I'm going for the lights, I'm creating a layer of overlay, and most of the time I'm doing two lights, okay, two lights, which is the main light and the second light, which is the backlight or the rim light. Okay, so now I will refine this piece and I'll get back to you for the final illustration. So now I'm done with the illustration, and I think I made a pretty good job in portraying Goku Black as a female character. So I think I made my promise, and I hope you like this illustration. And if you have any questions regarding to my process on how I made this piece, please comment down below and I will make sure to answer all of them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.